This detailed 1950s ceiling fresco in Moscow is found in an unlikely place. It's a proud feature high above the lobby of Hotel Ukraina.
It's quite of a statement with our fresco in the ceiling, our statues, our huge pillars that goes from ground floor up to the second floor. A sense of history, a sense of grandeur.
The Radisson Hotel Group bought the rundown hotel in 2007 and spent 3 years gutting the entire interior of the building before it opened again in 2010. It's now a 5-star hotel that's won the Best Business Hotel in the World award for the past 2 years from the World Travel Awards. Built in 1957, the 500-room hotel is a historic landmark.
This is a historical building, absolutely unique building in Moscow. It's part of the Seven Sisters, which was commissioned by Stalin, kind of to equal what he has seen, what was coming up in New York of skyscrapers, and he wanted to have the same thing in Moscow, and in his regard even better. So he commissioned these high-rises that was for different use, ministries, residential and hotels.
Jesper Hendrickson has 16 years of experience managing hotels with Radisson and says this is one of the most unique properties he's overseen. He says the new owner had to bring the hotel into the 21st century inside while preserving the outside.
But he wanted to preserve the feeling and the ancient glory of this hotel. So it was about finding out what was the soul of the hotel.
The hotel has made it a priority to preserve and feature more than 1,200 paintings and sculptures from the Stalinist era.
If you stay in any of our rooms, you will have original art pieces in the room that was collected for this hotel on the commission of Stalin.
There's also a 52-foot diorama of Moscow from 1977 on the second floor. You can see what Moscow looked like then from 2 different levels of the hotel and have a guided audio tour of the city and its history.
We have, of course, our own guests who come and see that as an additional attraction. But we also have a lot of Muscovites coming in when they have friends and family visiting them. Say, let's go to Hotel Ukraina and let's look at the diorama.
Room rates start at $500 a night and can be as expensive as $10,000 a night for suites and apartments. Many of these rooms have an interesting history.
Because of our location being in front of the White House, when there was the attempted coup with Yeltsin and the military attempted to do the coup, they came with the tanks on the bridge and in front of the hotel and shot towards the White House. And they invaded this hotel and they positioned a soldier in each room facing the White House. So at that time, the guest was evacuated out of the hotel.
In Moscow, I'm Vanessa Yurkevich for Blue and Art Info.